This is the best smart ring in the world. Our sponsor Ringconn's brand new Gen 3, easily beating out the latest Oura ring thanks to features that you can only get on this smart ring, like Vascular Trend Management, sleep apnea monitoring, and much more. And in this video, I'm gonna go through 10 reasons for why it is the best smart ring you can buy. But first, I wanna show you guys the premium unboxing experience and setup, which was incredibly easy. Just place the ring into the included charging case, download the Ringconn app, and tap the connect ring button, and it automatically connects using Bluetooth within moments, including auto firmware updates, and that's it. Now jumping into reason number one for why this is the best smart ring, this has no monthly subscription required. Yes, that is absolutely huge for a lot of people compared to other rings like the Oura ring, which require you to get a monthly subscription to get usable data, but the Gen 3 includes everything, including all the latest features for no monthly subscription. Now for number two, the new Gen 3 is the only smart ring in the world that delivers effortless long-term vascular health understanding with the new Vascular Trends feature. Now, you probably didn't know that 1 in 3 adults have some sort of vascular health issue, and 44% don't even know it. And the danger isn't from one high vascular reading, but the issues come when your vascular health slowly gets worse over time. So the Gen 3 Smart Ring gives you daily, weekly, and monthly vascular health trends, including continuous overnight tracking that can spot risks early and let you know about it so you can improve your habits and prevent health issues. The way you set it up is by using a professional vascular monitor, and you input your actual readings into the app to help the Gen 3 get a baseline to go off of. Now, as you can see, I have the app open right here. Here's today's metrics. If you go over to Discover, you can find the vascular trends right here, which you can see is overall good. You can see the data that I input. You can see my circulation stress for daytime and nighttime averages. You can also see the trends like for the week. And here in the settings, you can see that it's set to auto check every single day. So it happens in the background and it can give you a message in case you need to improve anything. And once again, there is no other smart ring in the world that can do this. And then for number three, the Ringconn Gen 3 also supports sleep apnea monitoring, which this is the only smart ring in the world that can do this other than the previous Gen 2, which also supported it. So you can see right here, I can go into my sleep apnea monitoring and you can see that it measures the number of apnea events that you have during your entire sleep cycle. So you can see about 3.5. And yes, it's set to daily automatic monitoring. So I can actually go back to yesterday and you can see that it was even better yesterday. I actually only had one time where I had a yellow, which is the 29th, which was very, very mild. And I remember that day we were actually in San Francisco and we were walking all day. It was crazy windy. I got kind of sick, which you can hear it in my voice now. So maybe that's why I had it on that day. And now for number four, the Ringconn Gen 3 now has vibration alerts for the first time. So let's say, for example, I have it in the settings here. If you have a low battery, it'll remind you. Also, if you've been wearing it with the sensors in the wrong spot after 20 minutes, it'll remind you with a vibration, so you can adjust that. Also for vital signs like sedentary reminder, if you've been sitting for too long and you need to stand up, or if you also have a high heart rate, it could remind you with a vibration as well. So here you can see I have vibration turned on for all three of those, and I also have do not disturb, which will make sure it doesn't vibrate at night. And when it actually happens and vibrates, it's really, really cool to get those notifications and know that you gotta, for example, charge the battery. And now for number five, it also supports comprehensive health tracking features, which is my favorite part. It has basically everything you need to know. It also supports Apple Health and Android Health Connect integration. So here you can see this is my data for the day. It's pretty fair. I didn't get that much sleep last night, so I'm gonna go over to yesterday, which says excellent. You can see my sleep says optimal. I had about 8 hours, 55 minutes of sleep. You could even click in and see all of your sleep stages. Then you can see the activity, which you can see it was balanced. I had about 5,800 steps. Stress, you can see that I had it focused, you could actually see the levels of stress. And then you also have your vital signs, so it measures all this stuff like your heart rate, your blood oxygen level, your HRV, respiratory rate, your skin temperature, and you can see that it supports automatic nap detection, also automatic workout detection, women's health with cycle tracking, and fertility insights. Same thing for headache signs. Now for number 5, the Ringconn Gen 3 is also essentially fully waterproof with IP68 and ATM10 water resistance. That basically means 100 meters underwater or 328 feet deep with water resistance. Essentially, it means you have no worries of getting it wet, whether you're washing your hands, whether you're taking a shower, swimming at the lake. Now for number 7, the Ringconn Gen 3 has the best battery life out of any smart ring you can get ever. I mean, this gets between 11 to 14 days of battery life depending on the ring size. And even with the vibration features on, you can still get 10 to 12 days of battery life, which is much better than any other smart ring. Now for number 8, the Gen 3 has an absolutely beautiful design with a new hand brush texture, which looks beautiful. It's made out of titanium and epoxy resin with 5 different color options. It's also very comfortable to wear all day thanks to the thin and light size compared to other bulky smart rings. Now for number 9, it is the portable charging case, which comes in the box alongside this cool braided USB-C cable. Now this thing is redesigned, so it is now a lot more premium looking while also being smaller than the previous one that came with the Gen 2, while still giving you over 150 days of total battery life with the case on a single charge. And finally, for number 10, this ring is $349 new with no monthly subscription. But right now, for a limited time, if you use my link in the video description below, you can pre-order it for only $314, which is an incredible deal. So don't miss out. Use the link below to order your Ringconn Gen 3 smart ring today. So with all that said, the Ringconn Gen 3 is by far the best smart ring on the market today with all of those features packed in. So once again, I'll have the links below and hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe above for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.